Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator pantry drawer rail. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pantry drawer rail. The pantry drawer rail is what the pantry drawer rolls in and out on. The minute you should be changing it out is if it's damaged and the pantry door is not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up both doors. Now that we have the doors open, we can take off the pantry door. All you have to do is lift it up, and there's a pin on this end that we're going to flex it so it comes off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the other end, off the pin. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the door off, we can take the pantry drawer out. All you have to do is pull it out and lift up on it. Pull it out the rest of the way. Once you have it out, you can push the rails back in. There's two pantry drawer rails in the refrigerator. They're mounted on the support on each side. They're both changed out the same way. We just have to push the rail back enough so it's all the way in. And you can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to reach in and take the screws out. Once you have both screws out, you can pull the pantry drawer rail out of the refrigerator. Here's the old pantry drawer rail next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. When you put the new pantry drawer rail in, you want to make sure this notch is towards the front. And all you have to do is line it up and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can put the pantry drawer back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it onto the rails and push it back into place. You want to make sure it drops down and locks into the rails when you push it back. Once you have it in, we can put the door on. We're just going to line it up and put it on the right pin. And then we can put it over the left pin. We're just going to flex the door a little bit and you can push on the pin to help it go over. Once you have the pantry door closed, you can close the refrigerator doors, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.